I'm Vinny from Adlast, and today we're going over 5 reasons why video is king of marketing. Let's start with number 1, versatility. Video can be used for almost any digital marketing goal, from building brand awareness and educating customers, to driving sales and creating customer loyalty. Whether you show explainers and testimonials, live streams and demos, there's no better way to connect with your audience. Number 2, boosting SEO. Get found faster on search engines by crafting titles, descriptions, transcriptions, and tags that people are searching for. After all, YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. Number 3, engagement. Videos can significantly increase your engagement rates, keeping users on your pages longer and prompting them to share, comment, and subscribe. Number 4, brand. Your brand is more than a set of colors and a fancy logo. It's your integrity. And what better way to show your audience who you are than to show your audience who you are? Video is also proven to improve brand recall, meaning the people who watch your videos will remember your brand. Number 5, cost effectiveness. Producing video isn't as expensive as it used to be. Anyone can create engaging video from a corner in their office. If you leverage the tools at your disposal and use a little bit of creativity, you'll learn that video can become a surprisingly affordable component to your marketing. It's undeniable that video reigns supreme in the kingdom of marketing. So go ahead and press record. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you learned something.